I'm going to teach you how to create and use menus in WordPress. But what are menus? Now, when you go to a fancy restaurant, you are given a menu. It contains, when it opens it, you see a list of the kind of food the restaurant has to offer. What is on the menu is not the food, it's just a list. Then you choose the food and then you'll be served with the food. That's the same thing that happens with menus. So if you look here, we have the things that our website contains. So home, services, and about. So the menus in the website shows you what the website has. But just this doesn't show you the whole page. You have to click on it and then you get served what that page has. Our other video we made, our other tutorial, we created a page and we call it courses, if my memory serves me right, the courses page. So we want to add a courses page here. You've created it, but you cannot access it anywhere on the website. You want to put it here at the menu so that we can click courses and then we go to courses. How do you go about that? So to add a menu, you have to go to your dashboard on your WordPress, a WordPress dashboard. So when you go to the dashboard or the back end, when you go to the back end here, you go to appearance. You can hover over it and then go to menus. So click on the menus. So when we come to menus, we see the menus we have here. Realize that we have this menu that is invalid, so you are not seeing it here. So if you have something like this, you can always take it off. So I can take it off here, I can remove it. So everything is fine. So to add a menu, you can see add to menu here. There are a lot of things that you can add to menu. You can add a page, like you can see here, pages. You can add posts. You can add custom links. Even you can add categories of the blog post you've created to the menus. So what we want to add is a page. So we come to the pages. We come and search for our courses page. So let's search for courses. Okay, so there's the courses. We can select it. Let's add the contacts that used to be there too. So let's add the contact page too. Okay. So you select all you want to add to the menu, then you click to add to menu. So now it will automatically be added to menu. So yes, we have courses, we have contacts. So when we save the menu, and then we come here, we'll refresh, we'll see our courses and then our contact page here. So now it's part of the menu. So to access, now we can access it. You can just click on the courses and then and see the beautiful page we created the last time. And this is it. All right. So that's simply how to add to menu. If you want to remove from menu like we did, you just click on the menu item you want to remove, the arrow here, and then you go to delete menu. Let's say we want the about to come before services because we want them to know about us before they know our services. What do? It's WordPress. It's drag and drop. So your guess is as right as mine. You just click on the about, you drag it, and then you drop it. And then that's it. It has to be on the same line if they all should. So now you realize that our about comes before the services when we refresh. It's not. Yes, it's good I didn't come. I forgot to save the menu. So you save menu here. So anytime you make a change, save it. And then when we refresh, our about to come here, and then our services will come here. They're about to come before the services. So everything is right. Sometimes you realize that sometimes the menus, one is under one. So let's say that we did courses, then we did courses for SHS, courses for primary, courses for the university. We want it to be sub-menus. You don't want it to flag this place. So to do that, let's say this is a sub-menu. The contact is a sub-menu. How do we make it a sub-menu? We just pull it to the right a bit. It becomes a sub-menu. You can add another item there and then you pull it to the right again. Then this one will become this one sub-menu. So you can nest them as much as you want. All right, so let's just leave it like this. And then let's save our menu. This time I didn't forget. So let's go and check and see if indeed it will come under the courses. So you can see there's one arrow here. So when I hover over it, you can see that it's giving me a contact here. My coloring is wrong. I have to change my color code at the global so that it wouldn't be white. But I believe you can see that it's working now. Now it is under this, so I can just go by it and select contact. Let's say, let me bring it back. Let's say I don't want this to be called contact. Contact is cliche. I want it to be called call. So that's what I'll do. I'll just click on it, come and change the name here, call, and then I'll save it. You can change the name to any weird thing you want it to be, and you save. Now our contact will then be called contact. The contact page will be there, yes, but the menu will be called call. So let's go to the home and then see if our menu will be called call. If our contact will be called, yes. So we have our call here. So that is how simple you can create and edit menus. I want to add one thing before we end this video. Sometimes there are a lot of menus. So there is a menu here. There is a menu at the footer too. Okay. For this website, the menu at the top is the same menu at the footer. Sometimes you have multiple menus. So to access all the menus, mostly they have different names. So you can come here and then search for another name. If they have different menus, you see a drop down here, you click on it, then you choose the menu you want to choose. Then you can add your pages, you can add your posts, and then you can add your custom links. Yes, custom links are one of my favorite ones I add. So let me add one custom link. For the courses, I was talking of SHS and then the university, so I'll add it. SHS courses, university courses. So I'll put the test I wanted to show. I want SHS to show here. And then my URL, I want to use google.com for my SHS. So I'll just come and copy it. And then I'll come to the menu, come and paste it here. Then I'll add it to menu. Then I'll add another one called university. And that one I want it to be youtube.com. So I'll come and copy it from here. And then type the university. And then I'll paste youtube.com here. So I'll add to menu. Now I don't want it to be like this. I don't want it to be plain till let me save menu. I don't want all the menu to be plain till like this. I want it to be nested under courses. Do you remember how to do it? So yes, I don't want it to be plain till like this. I want this ones to be nested under courses. So to do so, I'll bring it here, then I'll give it one layer. I'll give this one to one layer, sub item. All right, then we'll save menu. So now it will look very nice here. So let's refresh it. So there will be an arrow at the courses, and then we'll see university, SHS, and the university. Our color is bad here. We can always change the color. All right, so that's how to create menus. As simple as that. All right, so if you've not already done so, like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you are facing any difficulties. In our next tutorial, we are going to talk about how to access some parts that you can't edit with Elementor, how to access those parts. So stick and stay with us. Come along with us in our next video. Make sure you subscribe.